Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a post hole digger because I have one more pole I want to put in the ground in our driveway so we don't hit our drain hole while plowing this winter. Let's go take a look, see what I'm talking about. So we have a pretty good sized hole down in here that that as the snow melts in the spring, it can run down here and drain. But if we're plowing, we'd like to get the snow off the driveway as much as possible. However, we don't want to get into that hole. So I'm going to put in this tall pole with a reflector on top, and I'm going to paint this pipe orange just on the edge of the hole here so we stay away from it and don't end up in there while we're plowing, because that would not be good. Now there's a couple different post hole diggers you can use. There's the kind that a lot of people are familiar with that you stab in, you pull the handles apart, which closes in two scoops like spoons, and you pull it out. Those, you're very limited to the depth of the hole because you have to make the hole wider and wider in order to open up those things. Or you got the screw type like this that turn and pull the dirt out, and that's what we're using today. I'll move the camera a little closer so you can see how this works. For the screw kind, you're just gonna stick it where you want it and twist. And sometimes a shovel to start it works out good, but I didn't bring a shovel with me, so I'm just gonna get it started here. Hopefully you can see that digging in. You won't have to use your foot once you get going. Just try to see how this is dropping down into the ground and filling up, and you just pull it out, tap the dirt out of it, and put it back in the hole. All right, so now I got this hole plenty deep enough to hold this pole, and you can just see it just pretty well easily turned. It's kind of what I was doing, and you just pull it out and just keep going. But we're not going to go any deeper than that. I'm just going to go ahead and put the pole in here, close to this edge, and then we're just going to fill it back in. I didn't bring a shovel with me. They have smaller post hole diggers as well you can use. And I have a big one, but I didn't want to use a big one, of course, this little pole. Pack it down. Really, that's all there is to it. Not getting fussy with this because, again, it's just to mark the edge so when we plow we don't hit it. So you can see now we're way off the driveway, a whole car width off the driveway, but this is where we want to get the snow pushed to. So now all I gotta do is get some orange paint, paint both sides just like I did some of the other poles, and we won't end up in this hole here when we plow. So we just stay away from this pole and we're in good shape. So if you need to dig a hole, there's several different options out there for you for post hole diggers, but it's better than a shovel. It's a lot easier. You're not digging a great big giant hole for something small. So hopefully you like this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.